starting a fresh sand today. They took down a wall here. They did not want to weave it in. It would have involved taking this wood out. It does not line up. That's something you need to think about when you're removing a wall. A lot of times the wood from one room to the next room does not line up. This is a combination of red and white oak. Very common short boards. Take you on a little tour of it. Come around to the kitchen area, to the living room. We're going to be doing a stain of some sort. Client hasn't picked out the color yet, but I think it's going to be some type of a medium brown, lighter, something on the lighter end. I don't know that it'll be a brown, but give you a quick look.
That way.
You don't want that? You want this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well, if you want to work your way out, I just started there because they were getting stuff ready. That's why I started where I was.
Yeah, that's fine.
But is that the one you want to do?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I was going to work out, but they were getting ready to leave.
Gotcha. So here's the good wood. Kind of give you an example of sometimes things don't look that savable. Most of the time they are. See what happens, you know. Have to dig out. This is not a quick process. Let's say, for example, if you were to rent equipment, it'd be very difficult to get down to that. You know, we're gonna probably do some how-to videos later on, get you going in the right direction. But yeah, this came out nice, clean. Okay, just finished up with our stain job. Client chose a stain. What stain was it? Let me unlock this door here. Okay, just finished up a stain job. Client chose Sedona red. Started out with a natural. I'm going to take you guys on a little tour here. It's got 3 coats of Swedish precision matte. Let's take a look around. We'll walk into here. We can get some lights on the subject. That's how it's done. In here, they took out a wall. We put in that thin strip. They didn't want to remove this. The only way you could have laced these 2 rooms in is by removing the smallest area, which would have been this area. So that worked out pretty well. Instead of doing, sometimes people do a large transition there. We chose to do a small one rather than make it super obvious that there was a wall there. They're putting a couch, they're putting a few things in here, so this will work out well. Okay, that project took us about 4 days, you know, let's say 2 guys, 8 hours a day type of deal. Quite a few hours, lots of hard work. It took basically a day. We cut in flush mount vents everywhere and did that repair, the little weave, plus put in a header. So we had to weave one side and then cut a straight line, put in a little header, that tiny header. 4 days. So let's just say 2 guys, 4 days, 1 installer. So all total, if one guy was doing that by himself, maybe it's a 8 or 9 day job. Lots of labor involved in these. Anytime you're trying to do a stain right, we buffed in the stain. We used Duraseal stain. We buffed it in. We water popped the floor. We sanded with the Hummel. We used the power drive on it. We used the Clark on it with the multi-head, and edged the edges 2 times. Plus we palm sand around the edge. So it got a thorough work over. If you're going to do a stain job, just plan on it being about a 4 to 5 day deal, no matter what. 'Cause there's dry time involved and all that good stuff. Catch you on the next one.